Hey, what is going on? My name is Freddie and we're back with Make It Yourself. So today we got a very cool sweet and spicy barbecue wing recipe. Everybody know that March Madness is coming up, so if you plan on watching the games with a few friends, you feel me, you can make this for them, have them as great appetizers. Before we even jump into this video, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been watching and supporting me this far. It has not been an easy journey, but I want to say that I do plan on picking the video pace back up. I've just been really trying to take a look at how and what I'm doing with these videos, trying to make my channel the best that I can. So like I said, I just want to say thank you. I will be leaving a full ingredient list in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out for me. And also, I want to say, if you plan on making these, what would you do differently? So go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. So as you can see, I basted these wings about three times. So just keep that in mind. I like it pretty thick when I put the sauce on. So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and leave a like and comment what you would do differently if you did make these wings. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thank you for all the support that you've given. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.